Dear participants, let me introduce my presentation, Artemia Biodiversity in Kazakhstan. I'm from Almaty. I'm working in Fisheries Research and Production Center in laboratory hydrobiome genetics. Kazakhstan's salt waters contain approximately 10–15% of the world Artemia reserves. And on the map, okay, thank you. On the map, you can see the regions where Artemia species were collected for molecular genetic analysis in 3 years period. And we conduct all genetic analysis in own laboratory in Almaty, which established 7 years ago. So according to the results of the genetic studies, alien Artemia franciscana was not detected. Here you can see list of salt lakes of collected Artemia samples for molecular genetic analysis. I divided four parts of the lakes, which located in southern eastern part, North Kazakhstan part, southwestern part, including base of Aral Sea, and northeastern part. And as you can see, everywhere noticed Artemia parthenogenetica. Here you can see Lake Tuskol, which located in southeastern Kazakhstan. This similar isolated salt lake, where Artemia usually distributed. We use cytochrome oxidase subunit 1, was chosen as a standard species identification region. We use 2 primers, forward and reverse, for identification species. And the sequence is completely identical to previously published sequences in the publicly available in GeneBank in bold system, characteristic of the Artemia parthenogenetica. We also try to assessment genetic diversity, and for genotyping of Artemia parthenogenetica, we selected 5 microsatellite loci from NCBI that are the most suitable. Synthesized oligonucleotides with individual fluorescent labels. And the number of alleles per locus varied from 1 to 6. With the support of, of the German Society of International Cooperation within the framework of the project, environmentally oriented regional development of the Aral Sea region, invitation Professor Patrick Sorgeles. We are from Fisheries Research and Production Center. Me and Bayan Kazhajanova completed an internship in Artemia Reference Center in Belgium. So this is a very important question for all people, all researchers who are interested about Artemia amati. We have not yet found the bisexual population known in the different articles as Artemia sp from Kazakhstan, which unknown lake. From article we know this stains from Catfish Company, Kazakhstan, but it was a very long time ago. As you can see, it's 88 year, yeah. But now described 1 year ago as Artemia amati in this article in Zookey's journal, Asem Alireza. During the internship, we managed to conduct a cross-breeding test with different strains of Artemia. We calculated the diameter of the cyst, which also varied. And last year, we found in one lake, which unpublished, we gave the number 1892, which also bisexual, but it's not which founded in 88, and size diameter also different. We grew individuals in laboratory conditions, bisexual amati, but it's cyst from Artemia Reference Center. So it was great harvesting in 2023. Close to possible bisexual population have been noticed on one lake, unpublished, in Kazakhstan, where the percentage of males is more than 16%. And these lakes are very small, which of course is very little for population stability. These parthenogenetic populations are more typical for salt waters of water bodies of Kazakhstan, but it's possible that bisexual Artemia may be found in Kazakhstan water bodies that have not yet been studied and requires further research, multiple expeditions to this lake, and modern genetic instruments. But important to note that in typical bisexual population, the number of males exceeds 30% of all individuals. It means we need a multiple expedition for this lake to check the female and male proportions. Thank you for your attention, and our research has just started, so let's cooperate in the field of Artemia genetics. Thank you.